Hey, Indiana has updated COVID-19 numbers.
Vigo, Clay, and Vermilion counties are all in the yellow zone. All other counties in the Wabash Valley are in the blue zone.
As we've explained before, the two-metric system is based on positivity rates and cases per 100,000 residents. Red is the most severe, followed by orange, yellow, and then blue. State health officials noted Indiana's positivity rate is down to 3.5%, its lowest mark since September of last year. On
News 10 First at 5, we explained that the state is lowering vaccine eligibility for the second time this week. It's thanks to the new Johnson & Johnson vaccine. News 10's Dominic Miranda is live in our newsroom.
He has more on what additional doses of vaccine means for vaccine eligibility moving forward.
Vaccine eligibility is now open for Hoosiers 50 years of age and older. This accounts for over a third of Indiana's population, 80% of COVID-19 hospitalizations, and over 97% of total COVID-19 deaths in the state of Indiana. State health officials spoke today about how helpful the additional doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine have been and detailed the next steps in vaccine efforts. Dr. Lindsay Weaver says the state's external advisory committee met this week. They reviewed the Johnson & Johnson vaccine and discussed next steps. She says the consensus was to continue to open up vaccine eligibility based primarily on age. This is because data shows the older you are, the greater your risks of hospitalization and death due to COVID-19. Dr. Weaver says this is why the next steps include opening the vaccine up to Hoosiers 40 and older incrementally as vaccine supply permits. This population captures 91% of Hoosiers who have more than one illness and makes over half of Indiana's classroom teachers eligible for the vaccine. Dr. Weaver made it clear that expanding vaccine eligibility is solely dependent on vaccine supply. The state has been told not to expect additional Johnson & Johnson vaccine for the next couple of weeks. However, she says the state has enough to continue their mission of preventing deaths.
Our age-based approach is working. It is being driven by data, and we will stay the course, and we will continue our work to reduce hospitalizations and save lives in Indiana.
Now, a hot button topic across the country is when teachers will become a priority to receive their COVID-19 vaccine. News 10's Sarah Lehman will have all you need to know about that and updates from today's Governor Holcomb's press conference tonight on My Fox 10 and News 10 Night Watch. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Dominic Miranda, News 10.